welcome to my channel. I'm David. Welcome to Cleve's Backyard Woodworking. Today's video, I just want to talk about some router bits that are good to use to carve some signs. And so I just want to go through some of them that I have. First time I'm going to use some of them, so I'll go through those. And so stick around. Alright, so I'm going to have five router bits right here. They're all 1/4 inch. And let's go through one of them. It's the profile bit. You may have seen this one in my previous video when I did that wood carving for my mom from makeawoodsign.com. Okay, and I have the white side SC50. This is a single flute. It's great for detail. I will show this on later in the video, so stay around for that. I have a Amana tool. That brand Amana or Amana tool. 1/4 inch straight cut bit. I have a double-sided fuse, 60 degree and 90 degree. So let me lay out some letters here, and I'll show how each bit works. Alrighty, so I have put in the SC50 bit inside the router. I put the depth about half of the board, so that should be good. I'm going to try it out. I'm going to do the letters outset, and then I'll do the hashtag here. I'm going to use the 60 degree on that one and see how that comes out. All right. Alright, so I'm going to finish the letters. Alright, so that is too deep. I'm actually just going to use the 3 bit for the background over here. I'm going to go ahead and switch it to the profile bit. Alright, that's what the profile did. Now I'm going to go with the straight bit and see if I can get it flat and see how that looks. Alright, so I'm just going to do a quick line on each bit to show you how they work. Then I'll show you the finished product of the end ALS sign. Alright, so let's do the straight bit. Okay, so that gives a nice flat bottom. So we've got the flat bottom right here. Alright, so that was the straight 1.25 inch shaft, mana spiral upcut bit. Alright, now let's go do the 90 degree since we have not seen that one yet. This one's by Foos. So that gives a nice angle in there. I did 2 lines here. There we go. So a nice little V groove in there. So this one did a wider. See, wider. Now that's sharp down. This is the 60. These are 2 90s. And that's the straight cut. Alright, so I'm going to do the SC50 and the profile bit real quick since we've seen those already. Okay, so here we go. Here's the SC50 cut. It's very thin, very detailed, and a nice deep cut. And we got the profile bit, just a little bit wider. And we got the 60 degree, we got my 90s, and the spiral upcut flat. Okay, so those are the 5 router bits that are good to use for routing signs. And so now I'm just going to finish the one I was doing and show you guys that one. Alright guys, just about finishing up the sign. Just going to clean it right up. Here we have it. Hashtag end ALS. Alright guys, so that's it for this video on the router bits for wood sign carving. And then here's my sign, hashtag end ALS. Has some ALS awareness for everyone out there. We need a cure for this. Hope you liked this video, so please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already to my channel, I'm trying to get videos out. I'm enjoying this. Keeps my mind off of things. And I like to focus on these wood signs and unboxing new tools. So if you like what you're watching, I appreciate it very much. And until the next video, catch you later.